In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's start today's chapter, chapter number 5 for grade 1 from the book 1. In this chapter, we will learn about Iman. We will learn about Iman in this chapter. So let's start. What is Iman? Actually, Iman is an Arabic word. It means faith, right? Iman is an Arabic word. It means faith. And what faith means? Yes, faith means complete trust in someone. It means if you have faith in someone, you believe in him with all your heart, and you do not have any doubt about it. This is called faith. Remember, doubt and faith are two opposite things. If you have doubt in something, you believe that it might not be true. Iman is a state in which the heart accepts the truth and lives by it. Yes, and the heart believes in the truth. The lips and tongue declares the truth, and the limbs carry out what the truth requires. Let's repeat it. The heart believes in it. What the heart do? Heart believes in it. It means the heart believes in the truth. The lips and tongue declares the truth, and the limbs carry out what the truth requires. Limbs, here is the word limbs. Limbs means our arms, legs, or rest of the whole body, which carry out what the truth requires. Faith or Iman is light. Faith is light and doubt is darkness. Both are entirely opposite. Faith is light, doubt is darkness. A Muslim has faith or Iman in number 1, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 2, His angels. Number 3, His books. Number 4, His messengers. Number 5, the day of judgment. And the number 6 is divine destiny. In the truth that everything good or bad comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm gonna repeat it. Number 1, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, His angels, His books, His messengers, the day of judgment, and divine destiny. And divine destiny means in the truth that everything good or bad comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In other words, we can say taqdeer, right? Taqdeer. Now we will do these fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, dash is an Arabic word. It means faith. Iman. Iman is an Arabic word. It means faith. Number 2, faith means complete dash in someone. Faith means complete trust in someone. Number 3, Iman is dash, doubt is darkness. Iman is light, doubt is darkness. Number 4, the dash and tongue declares the truth. The lips and tongue declare the truth. Number 5, a Muslim has faith in the dash of judgment. A Muslim has faith in the day of judgment. Number 6, doubt and dash are two opposite things. Doubt and faith are two opposite things. Number 7. Everything good or bad comes from dash. Everything good or bad comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 8. The dash carry out what is required of the truth. The limbs carry out what is required of the truth. Now we have these few fill in the blanks more, so I want you guys fill all of these blanks and write the answers in the comments below, because these are all a Muslim has faith in. These are all points on which a Muslim has faith in. Write all the answers in the comments below. It will gonna be good for all of you guys, especially Musa Ahmad, Isa Ahmad, Maaz, Ashir, Nabiha, Nadia, Zaid, Alina, Dua, Shifa, Nuh, and all the other lovely kids. I will see you in the next video with the new chapter, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep all of you in His good care and protection. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.